Ehrlichman steel rigid connector compression type is an electrical fitting used to connect two sections of steel rigid conduit in a wiring system. The connector is made of steel, providing durability and strength. Steel is commonly used in electrical fittings for its robustness and ability to withstand mechanical stress. This type of connector is designed for use with rigid conduits, which are rigid tubes or pipes used to protect and route electrical wiring. The connector ensures a secure and stable connection between two rigid conduit sections.